Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the amazing, quick, easy and simple fondant potatoes. Guys, this is super easy. You guys just have to try this one. So these are the ingredients that we will be using and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. Alright, I have 3 potatoes here, about medium-sized potatoes, some butter, thyme, garlic and some stock. So I'll go ahead and peel these potatoes. All right, I'm using a vegetable peeler. You guys can use knife, whatever rocks your boat. Make sure to get everything off. You want a nice clean potato, and then you wash the potatoes just like that, and then you dry them with a paper towel. Guys, this is so easy. You can make this for dinner, for birthdays, anniversary, you know. And we're gonna slice that looking like a cylinder kind of, and just like that. All right, then we'll sear both sides of the potatoes. You put some oil and you sear the first side. While you season the other side of the potato, you go ahead and you flip that just like that. Absolutely amazing. Then you can season the top with your seasoning. As I mentioned, the list of the ingredients will also be in the description box. Then after it becomes golden brown and crisp, you add your butter right in between the potatoes. Allow that to melt. All right, looks awesome. And then we go in with some cloves of garlic. That smells amazing. I love me some garlic. Then you can add a few sprigs of thyme, and then you pour some of the butter right on top of the potatoes. Looks amazing. After about 2-3 minutes on each side, some medium-high heat. Then we go in with some chicken stock, cover, allow this to caramelize. You place it in the oven. After it looks like that, make sure the potatoes is fork tender and smooth. And this is what it looks like, guys. Do enjoy this. Thank you guys so much. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Do not forget to subscribe.